Hi, I'm Jason. If you run a roadside assistance business, speed is everything. Usually the first company to respond gets the customer. But here's the problem. Most small roadside assistant businesses are still doing everything manually. Missed calls, slow follow-up, and disorganized customer information. And that can cost you jobs every single week. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you what I believe is one of the best CRM platforms for roadside assistant businesses, especially if you want to automate communication, organize leads, and respond faster using GoHighLevel. And don't worry if you're a beginner, because I'll keep this simple and easy to follow along. By the way, if you want to try out GoHighLevel for yourself, I've included a free link in the pinned comment and description that you can use to sign up and test out the platform. Now, let's get into it. Now, let's quickly talk about what a CRM can do for your roadside assistance business. If you have never used a CRM before, here's a simple explanation. A CRM helps you manage customers, leads, calls, appointments, follow-ups, and job statuses all in one place. This becomes really important for roadside assistance businesses because customers usually need help immediately. They are stranded, locked out, or dealing with a dead battery. So if you don't respond quickly, they'll usually call the next company. A CRM helps prevent leads from slipping through the cracks, especially once your business starts getting more calls consistently. Now let me quickly go over some of the features that I highly recommend for your roadside assistance business. Feature number 1, missed call text back. This might actually be one of the most valuable features for roadside assistant businesses. If someone calls your business and you miss the call, GoHighLevel can instantly send an automatic text message. To set this up, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option, select automation, and you could use the AI to set it up by tapping on Build using AI. You could simply say you want to create a missed call text back automation, but I'll be showing you how to do it manually. So we're just going to tap on Create Workflow, then tap on Start from Scratch. After you have selected Start from Scratch, from here we're going to select Add New Trigger, and the trigger is going to be Call Details. You could tap on the search bar and you could search for Call Details. So once someone calls and you miss the call, it will automatically start the automation. From here, you're going to tap on the plus. Then from there, you're going to send SMS. So you'll select Send SMS. After you have done that, you could type in your message. So your message could be, for example, sorry we missed your call. Please reply with your location and service needed. This is huge because roadside assistant business owners are usually busy driving, helping customers, loading vehicles, or handling emergencies. You can't always answer immediately, but automatic text back keeps the lead engaged until you can respond personally, and that alone can help recover jobs you normally would have lost. Once you have set this up, you'll tap on Save Action and you're just going to toggle on Publish. So that is how you'll be able to easily set up this automation. Feature number 2, Automated Lead Follow-up. Another really powerful feature is lead automation. For instance, if somebody fills out a form on your website requesting roadside service, GoHighLevel can instantly send a text message, send an email, or notify your dispatcher, or send a booking link automatically. And you can create a follow-up reminder also if you want. The system follows up automatically later. This helps your business stay organized without manually chasing every lead. Now, what do I mean by this? With GoHighLevel, if we were to go over to the left-hand menu option, from here you can select sites. After you have selected sites, you have numerous options. You could create, for example, a website also inside GoHighLevel. So you could create the website right there, or you could choose to create a form by tapping on Form and you'll be able to build out your form. After you have created your form, which is quite straightforward and beginner friendly, and by the way, if you want help setting this up, you can use the email address that I'll be leaving in the description and I'll personally assist you. After you have created your form, you will tap on Automation. Once you have selected Automation, from here you're just going to tap on Create Workflow and you'll tap on Start from Scratch, for example, say. Then instead of the trigger being Call Details like previously, we're going to tap on Add Trigger, and this time it is going to be Form Submitted, and we'll tap on Save Trigger. After we have done that, we're going to tap on the plus, and from here we're going to send a text message. So you could tap right here And after tapping on that, you could type out your message right here that you would like to respond to the lead with. So you could type out the message right there and you'll tap on save action. Then you could tap on the plus once more and you could choose to send an email. So this is where you'll be able to send an email. You can also tap on the plus, and if it is a case that you like to notify a team member, you can do that. When it comes on to GoHighLevel, you can scroll down and from here you can see numerous options. So just like what I said earlier, you'll be able to fully automate lead follow-up. And with GoHighLevel, another feature that I want to talk about is pipelines and dispatch organization. You can also organize jobs using pipelines. Think of this like a visual dispatch board. To access this feature, you'll go over to the left-hand menu option and you're going to select opportunities. After you have selected opportunities, you're going to tap on pipelines and you're going to tap on create pipeline. Once you have selected create pipeline, you could give your pipeline a name, for example, roadside assistance. Then you can put in the different phases that customers would go through. So for example, new call, driver assigned, en route, then you'd have service completed, payment pending. This helps you track every customer visually instead of relying on memory or sticky notes, especially once your business starts growing. And if you eventually add more drivers, dispatchers, or multiple service vehicles, this becomes even more useful. Once you have created your pipeline, you'll select opportunities. After selecting opportunities, you can change your pipeline, so you'll see your pipeline right here. So for example, let me go onto the HVAC pipeline and you'll be able to move customers through the different phases as you can see right here. Now, the other feature that we'll be looking at is automated appointments and scheduling. GoHighLevel also includes appointment scheduling features. This works well for scheduled battery replacements, for example, vehicle transport, equipment towing, and fleet service appointments. Instead of manually scheduling everything over the phone, customers can choose available times themselves, and you can automate reminder texts, confirmation messages, follow-up notifications, which helps reduce confusion and missed appointments. To set this up, you will go over to the left-hand menu option and tap on calendar. From there, you're going to select calendar settings. After selecting calendar settings, you're going to create a calendar. So you're going to tap on new calendar, then you'll tap on explore more, and you're going to select service booking, and you can give your calendar a name. After giving your calendar a name, from there you can customize it. So for example, you can put in the service that you offer, normally the duration, and so on, and also the staff member that you would like to add, and the availability, and so on. Once you're finished doing that, you're going to get a booking link just like what you see right here. So let's say I were to copy this booking link so you can see how it looks at the moment. And by the way, you can further customize yours so that it looks even more appealing. After you have created your booking link, they'll be able to go onto it, select a service, select a time, date, and location. They can fill in all of that as you can see right here. Now after they have done that, you can go back into automations, and from there you can automate the rest of the process. So you could select go back, tap on automations, and from there you can set it up so that they receive a reminder text, confirmation messages, and follow-up notification. And with this workflow, you can actually use one of the templates. So you could tap on create workflow, and we're just going to tap on select from template. Here's a template right here, appointment confirmation. So you'll tap right here on preview. Let me show you how it looks. So they'll receive a confirmation email. Then 24 hours before the appointment, they're going to receive a reminder email. Then an hour before, they'll receive another notification as you can see right there. And you can simply tap on choose template and you'll be able to customize it just like that. Now, is GoHighLevel good for small businesses? I think GoHighLevel works especially well for small roadside assistant businesses, owner-operators, towing companies, mobile lockout services, and growing dispatch operations. Now honestly, there are a lot of features inside this platform, but you don't need to master everything right away. Even setting up missed call text back, automated follow-up, and lead tracking can already improve your business significantly, especially if you are still doing everything manually. So overall, if you are looking for the best CRM for roadside assistance business, I think GoHighLevel is one of the strongest options right now because it combines CRM features, customer communication, automation, lead follow-up, and scheduling and dispatch organization, all inside one platform. And for roadside assistant businesses, faster communication usually means more booked jobs. If you want to try GoHighLevel for yourself, I'll put my affiliate link in the description below. And if you want more videos about roadside assistant automation, GoHighLevel tutorials, towing business systems, lead generation, or local business workflows, make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.